Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I am the Apprentice, and today we're going to be talking about when should you start using beard oil.
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Hello everybody, I'm the Apprentice, and today we're going to be talking about when you should start using beard oil. Now that's a question that doesn't come up very often. A lot of people think that, oh, you have facial hair, you either wear beard oil and beard products and stuff, or you don't. Some people don't take into consideration who might need it and when you should start wearing it. First off, it's important to understand the purpose of beard oil. I'm sure if you've been watching plenty of our videos or videos of other beardsmen out there, or if you use beard oil yourself, you should know that beard oil's purpose is to moisturize and hydrate the skin underneath and the follicles of the hair closer to your skin. It's also important to acknowledge that even people who don't wear beard oil still have hydrated skin. And the question is why? Well, our skin still produce oil itself. It's why our hair sometimes is very greasy. It's sometimes why we ourselves are greasy. It's not just the dirt on our skin, but it's the oil that your body naturally produces through your pores. Now, that natural oil will help hydrate your skin and your facial hair. But the thing is, some people may live in a climate that unfortunately dries them out, or some people just don't produce as much oil naturally. So that's when you should start using beard oil. Because here's the thing. If you don't wear beard oil, for a lot of men, the dreaded itch comes into play. We'll get back to the itch in a moment, but we should really be focusing on the certain aspects that you should take into consideration before you start using beard oil. Now, if you are somebody who has a thinner beard, or you just don't grow long facial hair, well, beard oil, although helpful to you, might not be something where you will need a lot of oil. Or if you are someone who has thick, longer facial hair, well, here's the thing. More facial hair means that you need more oil in order to help protect and nourish the skin underneath, as well as hydrate a lot of the base area of the facial hair. Another factor to take into consideration is where you live. Some climates are going to be drier. So if you live in a dry climate, then you personally might not be able to produce as much oil as somebody who would live in a humid climate. So if you live in that drier area, beard oil is a very good product to help you hydrate that skin underneath your facial hair. So if you live in a drier climate, or you just get naturally dry skin, when you get those things and without proper oil that you need, you start to develop, well, an itch. Now, that is, if you've ever tried to grow out a beard for the first time, anybody will start to feel some sort of itch on their face or on their neck. It is a lot, and really kind of can defeat a lot of bearded adventurers out there and convinces them to shave. So, not a fun thing to do when you're trying to grow out a beard. So when your face gets dry, it can also get itchy and irritated. And that's what beard oil, that's kind of like the icing on top of the cake to really say, yeah, you should be wearing beard oil. That's when you should start. So the short answer, after all that I've said, short answer is going to be, when should you start wearing beard oil? As soon as you feel that itch. If you are planning on growing a beard at all, maybe you're starting out and it's really short, you might not need a lot. But after that first week or so, once you notice how itchy you're starting to get, beard oil is definitely something that you should be using. Now, if you've been growing out a beard for a long time, still use beard oil because you don't want to fall into an itch. That's a dangerous place to be, my friend. So I hope that this video was somewhat helpful. If you did find it helpful, please like the video and comment down below on your thoughts, your experience. When was the latest that you ever started wearing beard oil? I always like finding out that from certain adventurers because some people try to muscle through the itch and I just can't do it. I'm not that kind of adventurer. So again, adventurers, thank you very much for watching our video. We appreciate the support that you have in our community, and we are always happy to give right back to you guys. As we always say, may your beards be forever blessed, and fortune forever upon your door. Good day.